Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really going on up there? Beyond the moon and the planets we all know, there's a new frontier of defense being built, piece by piece. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and secretive new players in the space game. The Space Development Agency, or SDA. So, what is the established in 2019? It's a relatively new arm of the US Space Force. Its mission is simple but incredibly ambitious: to build a new, more resilient satellite architecture for the military. Think of it like this. For decades, the military has relied on a handful of very large, very expensive, and very powerful satellites. They're like the big, slow battleships of space. If one of them gets taken out, it's a huge problem. The SDA is flipping that script. Their approach is all about proliferation and speed. Instead of a few giant satellites, they're launching hundreds, even thousands, of smaller, cheaper satellites into low Earth orbit. This creates a massive, interconnected web, or constellation. They call it the Proliferated Warfighter Space Architecture. It's a mouthful, I know, but the concept is genius. If one or even a dozen of these smaller satellites are damaged or destroyed, the network as a whole can absorb the loss and keep on working. It's resilience through numbers. This network is designed with several layers, each with a specific job. First up is the transport layer. This is the backbone of the whole system. Imagine it as a super-fast, space-based internet connection for the military. These satellites use advanced laser links to talk to each other, passing data around the globe at the speed of light. This means a soldier in a remote location could get critical information from a sensor halfway around the world almost instantly, without relying on ground stations that could be vulnerable. Then there's the tracking layer. This layer is all about missile defense. Its job is to spot and track advanced threats, like hypersonic missiles. These missiles are incredibly fast and can maneuver in flight, making them very hard to defend against with traditional systems. The SDA's tracking layer satellites provide a birth-to tracking capability, meaning they can see the missile from the moment it's launched until it's intercepted. This constant stream of data is fed through the transport layer to the warfighters on the ground, in the air, or at sea, giving them the information they need to react. The SDA isn't just a concept on a PowerPoint slide. They're moving incredibly fast, living by their motto Semper Citius, which means always faster. They award contracts quickly and are already launching satellites. They've launched multiple batches, or tranches, of satellites, with each new tranche bringing more advanced capabilities online. Tranche 0 was the proof of concept. Tranche 1 is building out the initial operational network, and Tranche 2, 3, and beyond will expand it into a truly global system. What makes the SDA so different is its partnership with the commercial space industry. They're not trying to invent everything themselves. Instead, they are leveraging the innovation and mass production capabilities of companies like Space Electres, Harris, and York Space Systems. By buying satellites in bulk and using commercially available launch services, they're driving down costs and speeding up deployment. It's a fundamental shift in how the government does business in space. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that there's a silent, invisible network being built above our heads. The Space Development Agency is creating a digital backbone in the sky, designed to protect and connect forces around the world in a new era of strategic competition. It's a story of speed, innovation, and a complete rethinking of what's possible in space. This is the future of national security, unfolding right before our eyes. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into the future of space defense interesting, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology shaping our world. See you next time.